Hey guys, this is Bhushan and you're watching Cloudy Radar, and in this video we are going to learn about the Panda, and this is very first video of Panda where we will learn about what is Panda, why to use Panda, and what are the different features of Panda, and then after we will cover one by one topic related to the Panda library. So let's get started. So welcome to this tutorial on the Panda library for data analysis in Python. If you are new to the Pandas or just need a refresher, this video is for you. So in this tutorial, we will cover what Panda is, why it's useful, and how to get started with using it in your own project. So what is Panda? So Panda is a popular open source library for data analysis in Python. It's provide easy to use data structures and data analysis tool for manipulating numerical tables and time series data. We will learn about this in our later video. So some of the key features of Panda includes easy handling of missing data, then robust data indexing and selection tools, then built-in data visualization capabilities, and easy integration with other Python libraries. And believe me, this is one of the best library I ever seen. Then the question arises, then why to use Panda? So Panda is widely used in the data science and machine learning communities because it's offer a simple and effective way to perform data analysis tasks. Some of the reason you might want to use Panda in your own projects, which may include it can handle a large data set with ease. It has a wide range of function and method for data manipulation. It can integrate with other Python libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. It offers fast and efficient operations for data cleaning, transformation, and analysis. Now, getting started with the Panda. So what you need to do, so to get started with Panda, you will need to install it using either pip or conda. So I'm using PyCharm, so I'll tell you how to install it. So to install this library, you just need to go to the file menu, then click on the setting, then click on the project and click on the interpreter, and just click on this plus tab, and here you can type Pandas. So as you know, I already installed this. So once you install, once you search this Pandas, then you will get the okay, I think this is not present here. Okay, you may install this using terminal. So here we are, pip install Pandas, and here it says, okay, what it says. Okay, I need to first upgrade my pip. So I'll copy this command and then I'll paste this command here. So okay, it will install, it will upgrade my pip. Then once you upgrade the pip, then you can install it. So I'm installing the Pandas. So here we go, we install the Pandas. Okay, I think it is installed. Okay, what it is saying, that SDK seems valid. Okay, we'll see. To check this, it is installed or not, just need to create one Python file. I will name it pro1, and I will install import Pandas as PD. So PD is the object of Panda. So here you can see it is accepted, right? So we successfully installed the Pandas. So with Pandas imported, you can start using it to analyze your own data set. Some of the basic operation you can perform with Panda includes you can read the data from the CSV or Excel spreadsheet, selecting and filtering data based on the certain criteria, grouping and aggregating data based on specific column. Then you can create new column from the existing data and visualization data using built-in function. Then I will tell you how to read that data. Means this is the first video. Means yeah, I will let you know about the users, how to use this Panda for data analysis and all in our next video. So that's it for this introduction to the Pandas library in Python. If you are interested in learning more about the Pandas or data analysis in Python, be sure to check out our other tutorial on this channel. Thank you for watching. Cloudy Rathore.